Hello there, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about Apple Watches only shows me the time, but it doesn't turn on. So if you found your Apple Watches only shows your time and it's not turning on, then this is exactly what you got to do to solve your problems. Now to solve the problems, first of all you got to do is pretty simple. Just go ahead and grab your Apple Watch, and all you want to do is just go ahead and press that crown button and the power button for about 40 to 45 seconds unless it's turned on right in front of your eyes. If you see, let's say you try this process, maybe you press the power button for too long, maybe you press the boot button for too long, but doesn't turn on and it's only give you the time. Now, all you want to do, the next thing that you want to do is just go ahead and grab your Apple Watch, because sometimes if your Apple Watch is dead, let's say the batteries, there's 0% is less or available, then you might face a problem. So all you want to do is just go ahead and grab your charger and attach your Apple Watch on charger and wait for at least 10 minutes. So trust me, sometimes it takes really a long to be able to charge your Apple Watch, to be a little bit to turn it on. And just go ahead and do it. And after that, I can tell you guys your problem is definitely going to be solved. Now, let's say you put your Apple Watch on charge, but it's not turning on and only gives you the clock or maybe the time. Then while you're charging your Apple Watch, all I want you guys to do is just go ahead and press that power button and the crown button simultaneously and keep it holding unless you see the Apple Watch is turning on right away. Now, the thing is, if you see while you're charging a device, maybe you're trying to press the button and for a long time, but nothing helps, that could actually mean that you have problems with the hardware. In that case, you actually want to take your Apple Watch to an Apple service center, and hopefully they'll solve the problem for yourself. So this is exactly what you got to do, guys, to solve your problems. And still, if you guys have been requesting to ask, please tell them in the comment section, guys. See you all around.